the Cloud Security Alliance. I am one of the founding members of the Cloud Security Alliance, and I'm also the General Counsel. And I want you to be aware of this organization if you don't know already about it. It's about 4 or 5 years old now, 2008, so 4.5. And the organization has grown tremendously. We have figures here, more than 36,000 members all over the world. We have chapters, and we can read the figures, 64 chapters, 200 corporate members. It's a very active organization, very prolific, and its goal is to bridge the gap between the users and the providers of cloud services. So there are times when we think on behalf of the users and communicate with the cloud providers and tell them, hey, how about this and how about that? There are times when we work with the cloud providers, like today, to help communicate the issues. There are chapters here in Silicon Valley. We have a Silicon Valley chapter. We have a presence on LinkedIn, and later in the slides you'll see the LinkedIn URL. We do a lot of things, and one of the things that we are launching actually sort of today with this presentation is what we call the CLIC, the CSA Legal Information Center. And what a coincidence, it's sponsored by our friends at Box, and I want to thank them very much, because not only are they sponsoring this particular presentation in this room, but also the center, the Legal Information Center. And on this resources, we are going to provide information about legal information about a number of issues that affect the cloud. And so you will find the latest publications, for example, from the European, there was a group in Europe that did some research, and we have that information there. We have a paper prepared by the government talking about the Patriot Act, and a number of other documents, and of course we're going to keep populating this library of cloud issues. And this is actually the site for our CLIC Center. And so you see already we have populated the center, and we will keep adding some more. There is a section that is on FAQs. So the URL is very simple. It's cloudsecurityalliance.org/CLIC, C-L-I-C. There is another project that I have to mention. It's the one that's right here. Because we have Daniele here from Europe, who is the executive director of the Cloud Security Alliance in Europe. It's a project called the Privacy Level Agreement, and we have prepared a template for privacy disclosures. The first stage of this template is for use in Europe, and then we're going to extend that. So it's a project that you will be hearing about very soon, but that's one of the projects that we're launching now for the RSA conference. So if you need URLs, they're here, and if you forget them, just give me a ring and I'll let you know.